Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Dawn Kitchen and welcome back. Today, guys, I will be showing you a quick and easy recipe. French fry chicken. Let's get started because I'm getting hungry. 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, this hot, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 egg, 1 pack of sazon, 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 3 pounds of mixed chicken. This is the leg, the drumstick, and the thigh. You need oil for frying, like 1 to 2 cups of oil for frying. First thing, we want to prepare our chicken meat. So this thing here, the yellow stuff, it's the same thing on the chicken feet, and we normally strip it off, we don't eat this on it. So you're just gonna use a knife and just go over it and just remove it off. After finish cleaning, you're gonna squeeze a lemon, piece of a lemon, lime. If you don't have lemon or lime, you can use some vinegar or you can use some salt. And we're just gonna rinse our chicken before we begin to season it. I'll be back. Now that we rinse the chicken, you're gonna pat dry it with some napkin. Now we're gonna put the sazon over on the chicken. You're gonna leave back a little tip in the pack. We're gonna put half of the baking powder, half of the all-purpose seasoning, half of the garlic powder, half of the chili pepper, and all of the salt. And some of the Old Bay seasoning. I'm just gonna pour the flour in a bowl, and I come in with the remaining of the seasoning. All of these seasoning have a lot of salt, so that's the reason why I just use that small amount of salt. Rest of the sazon. And you set this aside. You're gonna season, rub all the spice in the chicken. Beautiful people, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, share this video with a friend, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. So when D-Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So we're gonna cover the chicken and we're gonna let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or overnight, even better. Then all that aroma would be soaking right through to the bone. And we're gonna add the buttermilk. 2 hours now, and we're gonna move on. You're gonna take the chicken up and you're gonna place it in the flour. And you want to get the flour underneath the skin. Lift the skin up, get the flour all over on it. Shake the excess flour off, and we're going to put it in the buttermilk and the egg. Shake the excess dripping off, and we're going to place it back in the flour mixture. Then just like this, make sure everything is well coated. And you want to get the pot heated. So all you know, when it's hot enough, you're going to come in with a screw, and once you see it's bubbling around it, you know that's the right temperature we have for the chicken. You see those little bubbles? You see it bubbling around. So that's the temperature we need to have. And now you're just gonna place the chicken in. And you're gonna give this between 20 minutes to 25 minutes over medium heat. Now, and 10 minutes, and we're gonna flip the chicken over. And we're gonna give this side 10 more minutes. So 10 more minutes, remember, you don't want too much heat under the chicken because it will burn and not fry. You want the oil and everything to penetrate in it. So please keep the fire low. My stove go up to 9. Right now it is like on 3.5. Let me show you something, guys. The chicken, you definitely have to let it fry properly. It's now 15 minutes. And look, bloody water is coming up from it. Okay? So you got to let the chicken fry properly. We don't want our chicken to be raw. So just be patient. So beautiful people, it is now 20 minutes and it's time to remove our crunchy fried chicken. Take that excess oil off. I am so hungry. Guys, look at this. Crunchy French fried chicken is now ready for eating. Better than Popeyes and KFC. This thing, I'm telling you guys, you wouldn't stop eating it. Look how crunchy it looking. Crunchy on the outside and tender and mild on the inside. So beautiful people, you enjoy watching this video today, please the thumbs up and subscribe. And I thank you all for watching D Don Kitchen.